Hello friends, this is Melissa from Buckeye Girls Lifestyle, and this is the first of the month collab and the 12 days of Christmas. And it's the first day. Our hosts are Brenda from the Rustic and Lays DIY and Krista from Krista's Craft Life. Please check out their channel and the amazing creators in the playlist. Okay, we are starting out with 6 pipe cleaners. And I'm going to take this one and wrap it around the middle of these. And it doesn't have to be perfect. And spread it out. Like that. Now I'm going to take a pencil. And you could add a bead to each one of these if you wanted to and glue it in place. I'm not going to, because I'm going to take one of these rosettes and add it to each one. I guess I'm going to wait till the glue gun heats up a little more. Okay, here is our snowflake ornament. If I did this again, I would cut these in half and make it shorter. I think I'd like it better. You know, it's trial and error.